Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Break with C Box Breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook Box Break number 154. Here's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton. So in the box is any 206-534-040. That's any 206-534-040. There you go. Good luck, everybody. We got a first draft autographs for the Leafs of Morgan Riley. We got a limited edition patch 4/5 for the Bruins of David Krejci. A base card 235 out of 249, Andrew Law for the Jets. And then we finish off the nice hits 59 out of 199 rookie booklet for the Predators of Philip Forsberg. So nice hit for Nashville to finish off the break. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.